Hi, I'm Stephanie. I'm an animal habitat keeper here at Grandfather Mountain. I'm standing in our big bear habitat. And even though we don't have our regular hours right now and we're not able to have any guests, we still want to give our bears some enrichments. And today for some bear enrichment, we're giving our amazing grazes. They've got some cookies inside to encourage our bears to work for a little bit of their food. And the only reason I'm able to stand in the habitat right now is we've got our bears in the holding area, so nobody's in here with me.